Hey there, this is Zach from Birchwood Hyundai. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the hitch cover on your 2026 Palisade. We're going to need two things to do that. We're going to need a screwdriver with a Phillips head as well as a flathead. You're going to have to get underneath the vehicle, so be prepared for that. So here in Canada, this is going to apply to the calligraphy model as well as the XRT, which both come standard with a hitch. It's just behind the hitch cover, so I'll show that right now. So that's right down here. You can see a gap here and there. This piece is going to be the hitch cover. So underneath the vehicle now, if you put your hand, you'll be able to feel a clip here. You just follow this seam down. You can feel a clip there, and on the other side as well, you got a clip right there. So we're going to take off these two clips with our flathead, and then we're going to get underneath the vehicle and we're going to do two screws with both of them just behind on the inside of our hitch cover piece. Up top, you see this is the top of our clip, which I'm going to pop off right now. So to do that, I'm going to want to put the tip of the flathead just in one of these little openings, and then just twist it. Barely have to even turn it, it just kind of pops out. Behind our clip, we've got a Phillips bolt. It's a little hard to see. Right there. So we're going to do that screw on both sides. I'll show you where they are on the hitch cover once I take it off. So just remove the screw. Now I've got some movement here. It's the slot where it went in. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Over here, so here on the other side it looks the same. We have the clip in front with the screw directly behind it. The only thing on the other side of the vehicle, so this is the driver's side now at the back, is this screw. I zoom out back here. Our spare tire is going to be just in front of it. So you'll have to get past the spare tire. You don't have to remove it. You can, of course, if you want to, but you should be able to just pop it off. I'll be able to take it here, take the clip and the screw out here with no issue. But in case you have like a really long screwdriver or something like that, just to note, spare tire is right back here, close to it. Okay, back again here we've got the driver's side now loosened. There we go. It's loose on both sides. I come up to the top here, you can see there's just kind of clips holding it in place. As soon as I start to gently push it forward, it just kind of pops off. This is what it looks like off the vehicle. So you can see on either side, we had a screw here, a clip there, screw here, and a clip there. And then on the vehicle, it clipped in here and screwed through there. Both sides. Now you can see we've got our 7-way. If you're using a trailer wiring setup that you need a 4-way for, you'll have to get a 7 to 4 pin adapter here, because you have a 7-way standard on the vehicle here in Canada. And we've got our hitch there. So if I want to put it back on, just line it up on either side, bring it forward, and then push up gently. It'll hold on there, and then you can get back underneath the vehicle, put the clips back on, and then the screws in. What I was showing as well underneath the vehicle. So this is your clip. To focus here. When you're putting the clip back on, if it's pushed in flat, the arms around the pin that comes through here are going to prevent the arms from moving back. That's bad because it's not going to give us any room. It's going to be really hard to put that clip in. So separate those when you're putting them in. You can even show where the hole is. We're just going to put the clip up into there. So under the vehicle, once again, we're going to start by replacing the screw first. Because again, the clip is going to go in front of the screw. You have easier access if you put the screw in first. It's going to go right in here on the passenger side is what we're seeing. And then we'll just screw that in. So we got that guy in now. Remember when you're screwing the screw back in, we're screwing into plastic. So once you feel it tighten to a stop, and you can tell that it's flush, stop screwing, because you don't want to strip the plastic inside of there, screwing metal screw into plastic. Just a quick tip. Now for the clip, which is going to go in right here in front of it. So I'll take that clip, like I said, separate it, and then put that in there, hold the two pieces together, pops in. It should be very easy just like that. If it's hard, to push in. I'll show on the other side. So if it's hard to push in, it's probably because you don't have these two pieces separated at the bottom. See, there's no way that's going to go in there. You could push all day long. Everything's back together now. Driver's side and passenger side. And we can see from the outside, everything's lined up. And our hitch is covered once again. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any other questions about the 2026 Palisade or questions about the process of removing the hitch cover. You do have to get underneath the vehicle, but it only takes a couple minutes once you're down there. We're located in Winnipeg at 2420 McPhillips Street, Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada. So what you see in the video also applies to our Canadian models. But if you need help anywhere else, shoot us a comment and we'll do our best to help out. Thanks.